Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use your map on the My BMW application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on this map icon down below, which is the second option. Here you can select or set your location, so tap on this where you want to go box at the top of the screen, so you can add your destination, and after that you can either view route, so tap on it and you can create a trip to your destination. So here you can see the duration of your trip and the itinerary, so your current location and your destination, and here you can see the planning options, so the departure time can be set, and here you can see it on the map as well displayed. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.